right now.
I was funny.
Oh, let it go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. What?
Almost flooded.
Maybe it's almost flooded. It is flooded.
No.
Look at Uncle car. It's gone.
Yeah, it's gonna be going to swimming somewhere else.
You need to get a new car now.
You see, my car's gonna go up there to by
But
itself.
luckily, just got there.
You wanna go check? You wanna go check my car in there? Huh? Go check
Luckily,
it.
my
Alright,
car's
keep going.
safe.
He's like, that's not for you. Okay, keep going.
You
Keep going, come on.
Clothes shoes on.
Come on, come here. I'll show you. Come
The
here.
water's only
Come here. Come here.
No, it's not.
It's,
It's going up.
come here. Come here.
It's not going down.
She told you to walk? I mean, we will get stuck everywhere, anywhere right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna be stuck here, then stuck on the road.
Yeah. I was telling her people on the road
It's
driving,
filling up.
walking out of their car to get out to walk.
Hey, you see how it's already past the line over there? Yeah. Lee said the bubbles is because the water is going into the concrete into the soil, so the roads are gonna be all messed up. You should be more like
Really? From this?
yeah, because the ground is not meant
separates
to
it.
take this much water. Yeah. So it's breaking the concrete down.
Separate.
Are you sure that I don't have to go to work? I shouldn't go to work because
No way.
It's flooded.
it's flooded. Yeah.
And you might don't breathe when your car
To
gets
the left
full.
or right? Oh, that's one tree? Oh, I thought it was two. It's separated.
And all of the cars gonna
Look at the
get
shape
go
of it.
down. Mommy,
Like a mushroom?
how's it gonna go out?
Yes, we have to wait till it drains, but there's still more water coming.
Color too.
Wait,
Really?
the drain.
There's a lot of drain, but we have to wait. It's still raining.